Yo, what's up, guys? Again, Zoom Machine Gaming. Today, guys, I'm going to show you what I got from Comic Con. Hope you're going to enjoy this. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe to our channel. Leave a like and leave those comments below. Otherwise, guys, let's show you what we got from Comic Con.
This could be us. So back to what I was saying. Could be us.
First thing is what we got at Comic Con. We had a 4-day pass, which looks cool. Yeah, looks cool. There it is, guys. This thing. And also has a, I don't know if it's Honey Queen or something like that. You correct me.
LXRDBYMK. YouTuber?
Yes, I'm a YouTuber, guys. I'm a YouTuber.
Let's do that the intro.
I'm a YouTuber, guys. And also, this is the first thing I got, guys. Guys, I'm going to be showing you, not a lot, because I am broke as hell. But everything I got was free. Or I bought it because I was supporting someone. So, first thing I got is this. And other things I got was a 100 Rand gift voucher. And I've claimed it, guys. So, good luck. You can't claim it. But this is one of them. 2 of them, 3 of them, that's 300 Rand. So for my ticket, I already got 300 Rand back for my ticket I bought from Comic Con. So I'm saving up. I'm calculating every cent I spent. Okay, actually I spent more than 300, but we're just saying that the ticket that we bought is gonna come back as cash to ourselves. Okay. Yeah, I'm coming with a lot of things. After that, we played at the tournament, guys. We played the Tekken tournament. Actually, where's my I forgot where my t-shirt is, guys. I got a t-shirt for
LXRDBYMK.
I wanted to show you, but we got the Red Bull stuff here.
Temu sends me diamonds that I resell. Temu sell me diamonds that I resell. Moissanite rings with certificates.
We'll sell your diamonds, Alex. And also, we got some Squid Game things here. We played some Squid Game with Mrs. And I wanted to show you the pictures, but I don't know how to show you because they're on the phone. We're on the Squid Game thing, and let me show you the pictures. Where are the pictures now? Okay, there's only 2 pictures which are actually cool. If I can find them, because I can't find things. Oh wait, why is my phone? Why is iPhone sometimes not iPhoning? I want to go to my downloads, but it doesn't want to go to downloads. Okay. I don't know how to show downloads on iPhone. One day I'll figure out how to work the iPhone things.
Said.
Look, okay.
Zulu diamonds with certificates. I won't be broke for long or you'll go to jail.
Guys, I don't know if you can see it clearly, but this is a cool pic that you made, guys. And also, Alex, save us the credit, man. No frauds
Credit
here.
fraud, let's go. Lol, not like this, lol, not like this.
I'm trying to zoom in quickly, but this is us playing some Squid Games. It's getting clear and clear. The closer I get in, it's just, the light is not lighting. But this is us pulling the rope. We did win the Squid Game stuff, and also the focus. Yeah, we did win it. Unfortunately, when we won it, we didn't win the final one because we have to win all of them. And also, we played on some other challenge. Sorry, I don't have all of these images on my phone, but I have to hide my face, guys. Let me hide my face quickly.
LXRDBYMK.
This is us playing some fish fingers game here, something like that.
Is it an AI image? I'll buy it for R500.
Lord, dude, look at that. Okay. Yeah, this one was the picture they took. They actually took the picture. There was a trampoline behind there. And basically, I was bouncing off the trampoline. To do that. To that picture with my son, which was actually fun. There's a lot of pictures I got, guys. I'm going to be posting them on Instagram mostly. I don't post everywhere else. Yeah, I'll show you guys Squid Games everywhere we got. We got to have fun at Squid Games at Comic Con, which was actually fun. That one doesn't come with money value. That's just fun for everyone. And also, for those who want to have a gaming coach, life coach, we've got Anthony here. I'm just sharing his contact, guys. A cool guy, dude. He teaches you how to handle yourself in game and out of game. All of that. It's a game life coaching guy. If you want to interested in those things, I had to say it, guys. Okay, now we're going to the cool stuff, which I have to go fetch them, then come back. Let me go fetch the cool stuff.
2,000 years later.
We're back, guys. Okay, let me show you what I got. It's a lot, but you'll be surprised that. Okay, first thing, we got a book from forgot the author now. But this is the book, guys. Langari, the Season of the Beast, guys. We got it. It's actually a big book with a lot of pages, which you're gonna start reading pretty soon. For those who are interested, guys, a lot of people got this one, and we also got this book, which is actually cool, from Comic Con. I'll put it on the side here. And now I also won this thing. So this thing is a foot. I don't know what to call it, but you soak your feet in water, and you use this thing. Also, I have to hide my face when I do this thing because the camera wants to focus on my face. Yeah.
LXRDBYNK.
I got this thing, Alex. So my feet are gonna be perfect now.
XT Wild Gamer.
Hey, what's up, Wild? How are you, man? How are you? XT Wild, man.
Ginger, where are you? I miss you, Ginger. Come.
Lord, Ginger, come. And also, after that, we got, see, these things we got, these are all free, but they're for ladies and stuff. But yeah, we got one of these things called Q-Tex. I don't know, you know the qualities and stuff. This is one of them. And after that, you got some of these lipstick things, which, you know, the ladies will like. Look how cool it is. We got a lot of them. I think we got 3 of them here on my hand. I have to pull out a lot of things. Also, number 2 Q-Tex, another one. What did you say?
I need to show you how to get better things for free.
Lol, dude. Dude, look at this. Q-Tex number, lipstick number 4. Okay, it's pink. So the light is just reflecting very badly, but there it is. Number 4. It's all free. So basically, this is like 90 Rand, 70 Rand, I think. Yeah, this is like 70 Rand. So I've already basically made my ticket money for Comic Con by just getting this free stuff, even though it's not going to be used by me. Missy is going to use it. And also, one of these pencils, the ladies know them. I hope if a lady is watching, she knows these things for their makeup and stuff, for cosplaying. So I've got one of those. Next year, I might go do some cosplaying, guys. And also, we got number 2 of those pencils. Also, doing the cosplay things, no? And also, if you're a lady, it's for your makeup and stuff, you know? Make yourself beautiful. What else we got? Oh, we got some makeup stuff here. We did buy this one. And we buy 2, we get 1 for free. So we bought 2 and you got 1 for free. The 1 for free is the one that's open, it's not here. So you got this foundation stuff. And also, by the way, in May is my missus's birthday. So that's why we're gonna be buying a lot of these things. And also more lip balms and stuff. Zulu, what's up? What's good, fam? What's up, man?
You. What's good, fam?
Yeah, dude. I'm just showing the guys what I got from Comic Con, guys. But you got a lot of lip balms.
I know them. I use it to put makeup on my.
Oh, Lord. On your bike. Oh, another lip balm. Oh, M is 4 lip balms. And we got, I don't know what's this, but I think it's a lipstick also. Lipstick thing is very long and it's called what? Essence Stay 8 Hours Matte what. But this is it. These are other stuff, 2 things we got. This is not even all of it, guys. And all of this is free stuff except these 2 foundations that we bought. Yeah. And also, these things are expensive. So already we made almost 1,000 Rand back. That means our tickets, we got them back from Comic Con by getting free stuff. Okay. And also, I got, basically we got this from Awali Comics of Vegeta. From Awali Comics. This is for my son. So he got this for my son, Awali Comics. Thank you so much, Awali Comics. He gave us stuff and he got stuff for the wall. This is for my son's stuff. So this one is going to put it on his stuff and do whatever. For my, before we show you the stuff for my wall, we got the Siri Watu. If you don't know me, I'm a voice actor, guys. In Siri Watu, I'm this guy. Senzo. Senzo, this guy. This guy.
LXRDBYNK.
That is me. And also, this is the comic books, guys, for Siri Watu, guys. We got.
He will send you a video next week on what I'm doing on Temu to make stupid cash and cash back.
Nice. I'll see what it is. Yeah, as long as it's safe, Alex. I don't trust Alex sometimes. It sounds weird. Yeah, but anyway, this is the first issue. And this is the second issue. I don't know if you watch. I don't know. I'll see. Maybe I can do a giveaway of the Siri Watu comics and stuff.
Said.
Who knows? Who knows, guys? But it does look cool.
I don't want to see it.
Ah, no, you're gonna show me. You're gonna show me, but you're gonna show me offline because I don't want to share your criminality with everyone. But look how cool it is, guys.
Said.
It's not safe.
No, it's not safe.
Yeah, I knew it. You see. That's why I said we're gonna do it offline.
LXRDBYMK.
So I can run away. But look at that, the comics, guys.
Far F4 omit the Chinese government might come for me.
Lord, I hope they're not, because these days people are giving us tariffs and stuff. Anyway, guys, we got also these things, and my biggest posters I got was Jinwoo. All right, you know when it says that in the series, all right, boom, you got that, the all right Jinwoo, and inside here it's not only Jinwoo.
LXRDBYMK said. What are those comics?
Yeah, those comics basically.
LXRDBYMK.
They're African comics. Alex.
Brew, is that an NFT?
No, that's not NFT here.
LXRDBYMK.
Hey, this thing is sticking.
Said.
Stop sticking on my stickers.
NFT.
It's not NFT. What is NFT, Alex? When do you know NFT?
Said.
Where's
NFT.
NFT these days? I haven't done NFT thing. Anyway, guys, let me show you this also. Boom. We got Jinwoo, I can show you, and also we got obvious. I like, Dragon Balls. So we get this, guys. Guess who it is? I don't know if we ever watched Dragon Balls, but you can guess who it is, guys. It's a mixture of multiple beings and stuff, which you can guess, guys. But yeah, this is the coolest one I got from Awali Comics, guys, which looks cool. Really cool. Yeah. There it is, guys. And also you got Jinwoo on the side here. These ones, we're gonna put them on the wall today. I don't know where, but we're gonna put them today on the wall. Before we put them on the wall, guys. Before we put them on the wall. Oh my gosh, I'm sweaty. Woo! Let me get you another thing that I got. I have to keep getting things. I should have just brought all of it here, but I'm coming to show you.
2,000 years later.
Okay. I'm back, Alex. Why are you not running the company well? Lord, okay. So for those who played Street Fighter at Comic-Con,
LXRDBYMK
got this.
Said.
This is cool.
They'll come for me.
Yeah, this is the t-shirt we got from the company. It also has the South African flag on the shoulders and the Red Bull logo on the left side. So it's gonna be like this. Boom. That's how you wear it. Okay, after that, I have to put this back where I got them because they are due for a washing. And also, guys, I got some merch. And this is our match, guys. Zulu Machine match.
LXRDBYMK.
And this I didn't got it from Comic Con.
Said.
It arrived from Comic Con because we got it from Comic Con.
Let's get rich.
Anyway, I hope I can get rich also, Alex, as long as I don't get into jail. So look at that. This is our basically t-shirt for our match, guys. If you don't know. And also, I also have a t-shirt underneath here. And wow, Vegeta Plus on the wall, FTS anime. What a choice, dude. Definitely I'm gonna put it on the wall, guys, this one. And also, guys, let me show you this one. So I got this one. Boom. This is now a match I got with the Embro. I don't know call it Embro something thing. And also has the Zulu Machine gaming on the left here. And a Zulu Machine travel on the right here, which looks good. And also the back, I have to like do this. Yeah, it has the writing and stuff, which looks cool. Yeah, that one you can buy it on Zulu Machine thingy online, but it's very expensive. but I can give you the link to get it. Yeah, and also we'll look at the Metro Land. Look at the back, the hoodies.
LXRDBYMK
Yeah.
said,
Bro, I need merch once I actually own money.
Dude, look at that. This is the hoodie. Unfortunately, I like, these stores that we get from America and stuff, which works well. But the tariffs and the pricing and all of those things we get, guys, they get to be quite high. Basically, my imports were substantially high when I got all of it together, Alex. But I think if you buy one t-shirt at a time, it should be not as high as mine. Well, I bought like I bought 2 hoodies. This is another one, which is a smaller one. Yeah, but this was just for us to show our logos and stuff at Comic-Con, because we're talking at Comic-Con, guys. I think we had 2 talks. We had one on Thursday where it was hosted by me and Chopper. And I had the other one for Siri Watu where Awali and I sat on stage and talked about how the Afro manga situation is going in South Africa. Hopefully it's gonna grow, African comics, African manga, Hopefully people are gonna create more comics, more stuff, because as I consider myself as a voice actor now, I need to get some more jobs, I need to work more as a voice actor, guys. And also, you see this hoodie, guys, this is how it looks like. When I'm not wearing it, it's the same one as I'm wearing it. The quality feels good, I won't lie to you. And it doesn't have the wires thingy here. It's just a hoodie that is, it doesn't have the holes here at all. But it is comfortable, I won't lie to you. It is comfortable and hot, which I am feeling right now. Yeah, these are mostly all my stuff I got. I don't know if I've forgotten anything. I don't know if I forgot everything, guys. Oh, there's too many things that happened at Comic-Con. And also, we still have to do some YouTube videos for Comic-Con, day 1 until day 4, which is going to be on our backlog, because our travel channel has a huge backlog, which is still big for us. But without any doubt, guys, let's put him on the wall here, because we said we're going to put on the wall. Let's put Vegito. Is it Vegito? I hope I'm saying it right.
LXRDBYMK said,
let's go.
Bro, you got a lot of thing.
Yeah, and also my wallet is empty, Alex.
said,
Comic Hall.
Comic-Con Hall.
Yeah, Comic-Con Hall, guys. Guys, for those who are watching on YouTube, guys, this is everything we got. Please, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe to our channel. This is what we got from Comic-Con, guys. Yeah. Hopefully next Comic-Con 2026, you're gonna be with us, watching us live on Comic-Con and chilling with us. Yeah. Otherwise, we are here.
This could be us. So back to what I was saying. Could be us.